palette supplies haul that I have for you. It's 2 orders in one. I've been wanting to do the video, but I haven't had a chance. So I'm gonna show you what I have. It's not an unboxing, it's just I'm showing you what I got. And now that I think about it, I think I went a little bit crazy with Halloween stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna have all the time to do all of them, because I always buy supplies and then I end up not using half of them and I leave them for next year, because I don't know, it's just hard to balance work and life, but I'm pretty sure a lot of you can relate with that. But anyways, without further ado, let me go ahead and show you. I'm gonna start with the signs that I got, and I'm gonna start with this one that it says friends make learning fun, and this is just like for school, so I'm gonna make a swag with this one. And then we have the Halloween ones. Oh, by the way, this is a PVC style, and I like these ones because they're very weather resistant. According to what they say, they're weather resistant, so I really like them, and they're really lightweight, so I like these ones. Then for Halloween, I have this Welcome Monsters. It's an oval shape, and it's not too big, so this is perfect for a swag, as well as Booyah. I really like this one. I'm in the South, I'm in Texas, so I think this is super cute, y'all. Also the PVC style. Then I got this cutesy guy, very distinguished gentleman, this cat with a bow tie. This is so cute. I know they have a ribbon for this one, but I don't know if I'm gonna make another order soon. It's a deluxe ribbon, so for now I think I'm just gonna use for whatever I have. And this is a wood sign, and it's like, I really like it. I'm not a really cat person, not that I hate them or anything, but I'm a dog person. But this guy talked to me. It's really cute. And then, y'all, I am in love with this. I am so in love. Hey, beautiful. Isn't this, oh my God, I am crazy about this sign. This is a 12-inch, it's a big one, and it's metal. And let me put it back on its little bag. I don't want it to scratch. I do have a deluxe ribbon for that one that I'm going to show you in a minute. And then for Halloween, I also have this skull. This is very cute. I think she's really cute. And it's also a PVC one. And then I got another cat. Look at this one. I really like this one with the moon on the back and then the cat. And this is like the forest, like a haunted forest, I guess. Also PVC, and this is, I think it's 10 inches, this one. Because I compare it to the 12-inch, so it must be 10 inches. Then for fall, I got a happy fall, y'all. I like when they say y'all. Because, I always say that on my videos, and I always say y'all anyways. And then I have welcome to our patch. I know you cannot see the letters facing the right way, but you know what I mean. So this one has like different patterns, and it has the leopard or animal print. So I really like this one, and I already have a ribbon for that. And I also have some pics that I want to use for that. I got one for Christmas. Merry Christmas with the nutcracker. I have not made anything with nutcrackers, so I'm excited about this one. And that is the signs that I got. Let me put this back over here, guys. And meanwhile I do that, I want to say that I'm sorry I've been MIA. It's been a little bit difficult. I needed a break from making content and also wreath-making. Nothing bad or anything. It's just that, as I told you on one of my videos on May, I believe so, I do have bipolar 1, so sometimes I get these episodes of depression, which is, something common. It's not super bad. I'm not like super depressed or anything, but it does affect me a little bit, but I'm taking care of it, so everything is good. But I did needed a break, and I was like not very motivated to do things, but now I'm better, and I'm going to start fixing my craft room. I bought a lot of things for not furniture, but kind of like furniture to make my space a little bit better, more organized. And the supplies, and I need to fix some things around. I also got a storage unit, guys, because I don't fit in my house anymore. And I don't have a shed or anything like that right now. So I got a storage unit. I'll show you some pictures later on all my socials. But let's continue with the ribbon, okay? So I got a bunch of Halloween ribbon because I don't have a lot of Halloween ribbon. Hold on. Let me move this a little bit. Let me see. Is that better? I have a new light and it's kind of like weird. So this is a polka dot with some patterns, and it has glitter on it on the black side, on the black polka dots. And then I have this purple glitter one with some both stripes, black, orange, and purple. And the orange and the purple have glitter. This is a 2.5 inch. Then I got this 2.5 inch with the stripes and the polka dots, or Swiss dots. I think these are Swiss dots, and I like the color combination. This one has glitter on the black stripes. Then I got this other 2.5 that has some horizontal or vertical. Let me see. This will be vertical, right? Because if the ribbon is facing this way, this will be vertical lines, and this one will be horizontal lines. So that's how I'm gonna call them. I don't know if there's how it's called, but I want to call them that way. This one doesn't have any glitter. It's just the light green or like neon green, the orange, the black, and some purple as well. Then I have, I ordered a lot of 2.5s. Maybe I should order more 1.5. Anyways, this orange stripe, angle stripe? I don't know. Anyways, it's orange, black, and cream color, and the black also has some glitter on it. And then I got this 1.5 with some spider web, and how do you call the diamond shape? Oh my god, I forgot. I had it on my head. I have a brain fart, guys. Okay, whatever. You know what I mean. Then I got this cat one that the cats are actually flocked. And I think this is so, so pretty. Look at all the things that the kitties are doing. And it has a bat right here. So I think I'm going to try to combine it with one of the cat. Oh, yeah, the black cat one. I'm going to put some of that in there. And then to finish my ribbons, ta-da! The star of the show. Look at this. This is a deluxe ribbon. So y'all know I love deluxe because they're really good quality, like high end, but not super expensive like other ones. So this is gonna go with the pink ghost, the hello beautiful instead of beautiful, with that sign, and it's double-sided. It has this pink on this side, and I just want you to see all the different ghosts. They have like bows, they have flowers, they have a hat. They're just so, so cute. I am in love with this. Alrighty, and this is a 2.5 as well. I'm telling you, I need more 1.5. I don't know what I was thinking. I do have some solid 1.5, so I think that will work well. And this is just a random pick that I did. These are some plastic leaves, and they are holographic, so they're very cute. I already have pink ones, so I don't know what I'm gonna use them for, but I wanted them because they were on like a discounted price. And now I'm gonna show you my mesh. Okay, I have Halloween mesh, and I have some fall mesh as well. So let me show you this one. Oh, what's this? Oh, part of the mesh. So I have this orange with stripes. This will be horizontal stripes. That's what we're gonna call it, because it goes like this, right? Okay, well, this is a black, this one is not foiled. It's like a thicker mesh, the stripes. And then I have this one that is black with the foil stripes. I have this purple one that has stripes at the ends. I'm getting itchy on my nose, guys. Okay, so then I have this other stripe one This one has like a wider stripes, but in the middle it has the purple. And then for Halloween as well, I picked this too. Stripes, the black and with the white stripes, and the black with the hot pink stripes. This is also like the same. I believe the stripes are like similar to the mesh, but they're not foil. So I really like this ones because they don't frayed a lot like the foil ones. Even though I use a wood burning tool, it still kind of frays sometimes. And then for fall, I got me this ones. I got this one with all striped with different fall colors like burnt orange and brighter orange, the beige color and the green. It also has some burgundy colors and some yellow, so a lot of colors in there, fall colors. I got this stripe one. This is how I'm gonna call it, vertical stripe. Yeah, look, it makes sense, right, what I'm saying. Anyways, it has this like dark burnt orange and this neutral. I'm facing over here and I'm trying to show you over here. This neutral kind of beige color. Then I got two of these ones. This is a jute ombre mesh. So, you know, I cannot cut this with the wood burning tool, so I have to be careful about that. But it's an ombre with green, and then it goes to beige, and then it goes to orange. And I got two of those ones. So that is my craft outlet haul, 2 orders together. I need to start working, guys. I'm behind. I know everybody's doing summer wind now, and I'm like, oh my God, I'm so behind, but it's okay. Breathe, Rocio, breathe. Everything is good. Okay, well, I'll see you later, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye. And don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe, guys. And I would really appreciate if you go ahead and look for other videos that I have around. Okay, so thank you. Have a wonderful day. You say it's just a start.